Hey everyone, Zane here, and today we're going to discover the best VPN in 2025. Looking for the best VPN? I have got you 4 recommendations in 3 minutes. Starting with NordVPN, one of the most popular VPNs. It focuses on security and privacy, but it also packs a massive additional features list. Looking at privacy, it has an audited no logs policy and RAM only servers that can't keep data long term. Plus, NordVPN operates under the privacy friendly jurisdiction of Panama. When it comes to security, it has all the essentials like the kill switch. Moreover, it provides modern encryption to ensure maximum security. What about performance? NordVPN offers a good number of servers with a wide range of locations, making it an excellent choice for streaming. I managed to gain access to various hard to reach libraries with minimal troubleshooting. In terms of price, NordVPN falls in the mid range of the VPN market. That said, its pricing is well justified by the abundance of extra features and top level security it provides. The second provider I can recommend is Surfshark VPN. It combines quality with affordable price while offering unlimited simultaneous connections. Affordable doesn't mean it's short on features. Surfshark packs plenty of useful features within its apps, including an antivirus option in the Surfshark One bundle. Additionally, it boasts a unique GPS spoofing feature that allows users to conceal their GPS location on Android devices. Surfshark VPN also stands out with an extensive list of countries to connect to the high speed performance, making it an excellent choice for accessing foreign streaming platforms. But is Surfshark safe? Similar to NordVPN, Surfshark boasts strong security and privacy features. Its audited no logs policy, RAM only servers, and dependable kill switch and modern encryption contribute to a secure online experience. Now, if you do not need all these fancy features and want to go leaner, I've got two more providers for you: Norton VPN and Total VPN. When it comes to privacy and security, both can offer industry standard encryption. Norton has Kill Switch available on Windows and Android, while Total VPN is on Windows only. If you are using Apple products, unfortunately, you will have to do without the kill switch. Now, both providers claim to have a no logs policy, but neither has been audited by a third party to confirm that. So it's up to you if you want to believe them or not. Looking at performance, Norton and Total VPN cannot really compete with Surfshark and NordVPN, but their speeds are still decent enough for daily browsing activities. Total VPN is integrated into the antivirus software. It has one of the best ad blockers and, of course, one of the best antivirus too. Plus, it includes a basic yet perfectly fine password manager. While you cannot get the VPN separately, their total security bundle is a great solution if you need all around cybersecurity protection in one app. You can also get Norton VPN separately, but if you need an antivirus as well, getting Norton Antivirus Suite is a great idea. It will save you a lot of money, and besides, that way you will get a 60-day money back guarantee. And that's all for today's video. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.